everybody. So in today's video I am going to be doing a technique that I saw Kathleen Osmore do over at Coz Creations. She started with a kiss pour in the middle and then separated. Not really sure what it's called. The kiss breakout pour? Not really sure. Anyway, that's what I'm going to try. I'm using the Chroma the new set of Chroma Molten Metal Metallics, the bright set. So I am super excited to give those a try. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so today I'm working on a 10 by 20 canvas, and as I said before, I'm going to do a kiss pour. I'm going to start in the middle like this and then work my way out. So the colors I've got here are the new Chroma Bright set. I'm also using a gold from their other set, and I mixed them all with my regular pouring medium, which is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol and water, and there is no silicone added to any of my paints. So I'm just going to go ahead and start putting the paint in the cups. Okay guys, so the painting dried really nice. These colors are nice and shiny, and the Chroma Molten Metal Metallics are a really nice metallic paint to have in your collection of paints. I like the whole composition overall. I think it looks great. Don't forget to check out Kathleen Osmore at Coz Creations, where I got the idea. I think she actually called it a double ring pour. So I had to read the description to find that out. So sometimes there is useful information in the description. So check those out sometimes. All right, and don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, check out all the links in my description. There is a link in my description to the Chroma Molten metal metallic paints if you're interested. Thank you for watching and have a great day.